Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Wix dynamic pages for beginners. So first and foremost, you have to sign up for an account or log into your Wix account. Okay, so open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for wix.com. And then after that, you just have to sign up and then make sure that you are using your correct account. Okay, after that, just go here to your sites and you'll be able to see all of your websites. So you can create a site from scratch. Okay, so you can use Studio Template or the blank canvas, Studio Site Open Wireframes, or use the Wix editor. So for this one, I'm going to use this Wix website. Okay, so first, the Wix dynamic pages are pages that automatically change their content based on the data from a Wix database. So instead of creating many pages one by one, you create one design. And Wix fills it with different content for each item in your database. So think of it like a template, one page design, many pieces of content. Wix swaps the content automatically and same layout, different information. Okay, so to add a dynamic page, all you have to do is to tap on the page option at the top left. Okay, and then tap on the manage pages option. After that, go here and add a new page. That's right. And here at the left side, just go to the very last option, which is the dynamic page. Okay, so we have here general, team members template, latest news, portfolio, projects, courses, and more. So dynamic pages used for like perfect for blog posts, events, products, portfolio projects, team profiles, or listing like houses, services, menus, and etc. So for example, let's look for a blog post. Okay, so we have these options right here. For example, I'm just going to use these courses. So just simply tap on the add pages. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then it will now create your new page. So here, as you can see, this page will now um, be one of your pages here in your Wix website. Okay, so right here you can customize this page. So since we want to add our own courses, so all we have to do here is to select all of the items that we can find here and then go to the more action options. Okay, so you can either import these items or you can also delete this item right here. Okay, so after that you can now also customize these options that you can find here. For example, for this image, all you have to do is to double tap the image and then upload your own. So just upload media from your computer. Okay, so you also have these options right here: Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, DeviantArt, Dribble, or the Vimeo. So here I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, for example, this one, and then just tap on the add item option. Okay, and then if you would like to add a new item, just simply add this tap on this option and then add here the details of your item. After that, just have to close this section. Okay, so currently this is our page. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so for example, you would like to customize this one, you'd like to change the style. All right, and then the font size and then the font style. You can also change the color if you want to. For example, this one. Okay, and then you have here course name and then your course images that you have customized. Okay, so you can also check the functionality of this page. using the different views. So we have the desktop views and the mobile view. So simply tap on this option that you can find at the top. All right. And then this is how it looks like when you are using your phone and you visit your website. Okay, so again, let's go back here and try to create a new page. So let's go back and manage the pages. Okay, so here on the dynamic page, you create a CSM collection or database. So you add items, rows of data, you create the dynamic page. You connect page elements, text, images to database fields. So the Wix will generate one page per item automatically. So we have here types of dynamic pages in Wix. So dynamic page, dynamic item page, it shows one item, and dynamic list page shows a list of items. Okay, so all you have to do is just go here and then manage your pages and add your pages. So now the reason why you have to use the dynamic pages, it simply saves your time, easy to update, consistent design, and it scales well. So 100 seconds of pages, easily, no coding needed unless you want advanced features. So in short, Wix dynamic pages is equal to one page design. So again, let's go back here and try to add another page. Okay, so let's go to the dynamic page. So we have here course item and then your course list. Okay, so once you have finalized your design, so let's go back to the desktop view first. Okay, and let us preview this page. So tap on the preview option that you can see at the top. All right, so let's go to our home page. Okay, currently this is our home page, and then here we can find our pages. So when someone visit your website, so you'll be able to see here that your dynamic pages are very effective and functional. So once you have finalized your design, all you have to do here is to simply tap on the publish option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then let's go ahead and view our site. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.